Pakistan is a state जिसमें PCOS की discussion सबसे ज़्यादा कम है. In fact, there is one thing that I would like to state here is that PCOS एक ऐसी condition है जिसका कोई मुकम्मल इलाज नहीं है. For 70 to 80% women affected with some one condition, and there is no conversation about it on not even on the national or provincial levels. एक journal ही कोई conversation इस बारे में नहीं कर रहा है.
Acne के issues होते हैं. What do you think about the proper care of that? In PCOS, people get a lot of acne, hormonal acne.
Dermatologists cannot cure your acne until and unless your hormones are balanced. This is so crucial, and वो acne एक दफ़ा ख़राब होती है, it just takes years to fix.
You have such big names with trash products.
So we always know that there are certain brands or certain social media pages as well, जिनको देख के पता चल जाता है, that they shouldn't be tried.
Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another episode of podcast at Acufix. Today we have Miss Ikra Parveen with us, who is founder of PCOS Health and a social right activist. Assalamualaikum Ikra, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. So Ikra, tell us something about your journey, how you started PCOS Health and how you get into it.
So PCOS Health started 3 years back as a campaign for awareness on PCOS. As we all know that PCOS stats are around 52% or above 50% of the women in Pakistan. So it generally started as an awareness campaign, and now it has turned into a rights movement and a youth-led movement stating PCOS as a human rights issue. And it's something that aims at bringing change at the very important level or at a very crucial stage of surrounding women's health in Pakistan.
So what are the changes you believe that are needed to be done in our society for PCOS?
So for PCOS, सबसे पहले तो what I usually say is कि सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी तो ये है कि हम इस चीज़ को realize करें that how important PCOS conversation is in Pakistan. क्योंकि Pakistan regarding any other related to any other state, Pakistan is a state जिसमें PCOS की discussion सबसे ज़्यादा कम है. In fact, if we look in India, they still have some organizations working on it. They have a say in it. But in Pakistan, हमारे stats अगर आप किसी भी medical professional से बात करते हैं तो वो 70 से 80% कहते हैं. Or for 70 to 80% women affected with some one condition, and there is no conversation about it on not even on the national or provincial levels. एक journal ही कोई conversation इस बारे में नहीं कर रहा है. It's very scary to see in this situation with this lens कि इतने ज़्यादा लोग अगर इस conversation से affected हैं इस एक चीज़ से, so why we don't have any conversation about it? In fact, अगर आप अपने group circle में भी देखो तो अगर आप 5 से 6 लड़कियां हो तो most of them have such condition and they are reluctant to either talk about it or either they're stigmatized for having the symptoms of PCOS. So I see the situation as something जिसकी एक तो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत ये है कि हम इस conversation को destigmatize करें, इसके बारे में बात शुरू करें और ना सिर्फ इसके मेडिकल एस्पेक्ट को काउंटर करें बल्कि इसके मेंटल एस्पेक्ट को करें, इसके सोशल एस्पेक्ट को करें और इसके साथ साथ इसके इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट को भी करें बिकॉज इट्स अ लाइफ लॉन्ग थिंग, राइट? सो द ट्रीटमेंट गोज थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ. आपको ऑन एंड ऑफ अपने चेकअप्स करवाने पड़ते हैं, अपने लैब्स दोबारा करवानी पड़ती हैं. उसके अलावा बिकॉज ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स इन पाकिस्तान आर वे सो हाई कि आपको उनको मीट करने के लिए भी आपको तरह तरह के कॉस्मेटिक्स प्रोसीजर्स को फॉलो करना पड़ता है. सो इट हैज़ अ सोशल इम्पैक्ट, इट हैज़ अ इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट. दिस इज द एक्चुअल लेंस जिसके थ्रू हमें PCOS को देखना पड़ेगा. इट्स नॉट अ हेल्थ कंडीशन.
PCOS के बारे में no one talks about. It is considered a stigma. Even girls reaching the age of 20-25, they even don't go to doctor to get diagnosed. What if we get diagnosed with PCOS?
So basically, obviously, the stigma around this issue, women's health in general in Pakistan is way too stigmatized. और ये आप मुझे as a lawyer या फिर किसी डॉक्टर को आपको बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. We know as a girl, we know it. That the only thing where our health is taken seriously is if we miss our periods or something like that, because वो infertility से related associate कर देते हैं और उसी time में सिर्फ डर लगता है. Exactly. उसके अलावा तो there is no way that you can have an open discussion. और बहुत सी ऐसी communities हैं पाकिस्तान में जहाँ पे ये भी facility नहीं है. Women cannot talk about it. In fact, there are a lot of women who reached out to us कि उनको उनकी families allow नहीं कर रही हैं gynecologist को check करवाना. तो what do they do? So this is something so stigmatized. Even something as basic as your health is being stigmatized at the level कि आप की मेंटल हेल्थ उससे ख़राब है, आपकी फ़िज़िकल हेल्थ उससे ख़राब है, उसके साथ-साथ आप आपकी डेली एक्टिविटीज़ उससे जो है डिस्टर्ब हो रही हैं। तो
Obviously.
दिस इज़ हाउ सीरियस PCOS इज़ एंड हाउ badly it's being stigmatized in
एग्जैक्टली
Pakistan.
पीसीओएस के सिम्टम्स आपकी जनरल जो आपकी लाइफ में आपका कॉन्फिडेंस होता है उसको
Mm.
शाटर कर दे. यू हैव हेयर्स ऑन योर फेस, यू हैव थिन हेयर्स ऑन योर हेड,
Right.
और ये सारे इश्यूज जो आते हैं दे ऑलवेज शाटर योर कॉन्फिडेंस.
Exactly.
And obviously you get the acne you got through PCOS, the hormonal changes.
एग्जैक्टली इट्स समथिंग जिसके बारे में हम लोग इस चीज़ को इस कन्वर्सेशन को इसीलिए भी बंद करते थे बिकॉज एक तो पीसेस पे जनरली भी रिसर्च इतनी अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो व्हाट जनरली इन पाकिस्तान इज दैट डॉक्टर्स वही जिस तरह प्रीवियसली डॉक्टर्स हैव आल्सो टॉक्ड अबाउट इट कि वो एक बर्थ कंट्रोल लिख देते हैं या एक वो एग्जैक्ट एक आई थिंक एक है पर्ची है जो वो बार बार वही करके सबको
Birth
देता है. आई थिंक
control.
दे शुड हैव दिस फोटोकॉपीड ताकि वो डायरेक्टली दे दें. उनको मेहनत लगती है दे हैव टू राइट इट बट द थिंग इज कि पाकिस्तान में इस चीज़ को इसलिए भी कैटर नहीं किया जा रहा क्योंकि हमें उसके इतने ट्रीटमेंट्स पाकिस्तान में तो वैसे भी अवेलेबल नहीं है. बट जो भी है ट्रीटमेंट्स अगर वर्ल्ड वाइड भी अवेलेबल नहीं है, रिसर्चेस तो हैं उस पे एंड यू कैन हैव अ रिस्पांसिबल एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स इट व्हिच इज
Exactly,
लैकिंग.
because currently PCOS अगर किसी लड़की को डायग्नोस भी होता है, even the gynecologists they always give them birth control pills या hormonal pills जो उसको मजीद aggravate करते हैं.
नहीं, द कन्वर्सेशन हियर इज कि जो बर्थ कंट्रोल है ना, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू रेगुलेट योर साइकिल बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ डॉक्टर, आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग दैट कैपेसिटी. बट व्हाट आई कैन टेल यू बाय वर्किंग इन पीसेस हेल्प्स फॉर लाइक 3 years. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इनिशियल स्टेजेस में बर्थ कंट्रोल आपके मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल को रेगुलेट करने के लिए दी जाती है और वो इम्पॉर्टेंट भी होती है. बट अगर आपको कोई डॉक्टर उस पर फॉर ईयर्स एंड ईयर्स प्रेस्क्राइब कर दे, दैट इज समथिंग यू नो बिकॉज बर्थ कंट्रोल का मतलब ये होता है कि वो आपको आर्टिफिशियली वो इंड्यूस
It's a
कर दे
temporary
हार्मोन्स.
fix.
हाँ, ताकि आपका साइकिल रेगुलेट हो जाए. बट वंस इट्स रेगुलेटेड यू हैव टू स्टॉप इट एंड यू कैन स्टॉप इट. But the doctors here, I have also seen instances here जहाँ पे लड़कियों को ये मना नहीं किया जा रहा, उनको नहीं बताया जा रहा कि ये नहीं.
So what do you say कि जब acne के issues होते हैं, what do you think about the proper care of that? In PCOS people get a lot of acne, hormonal acne. So that also shatters up the confidence for the girls.
So basically वही है because my doctors are always recommending me this in the other girls around here as well कि once you for PCOS acne or any related hormonal issues related acne you have to fix your hormones first. आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट दे रहा है या कोई भी in fact कोई डॉक्टर dermatologist cannot cure your acne until and unless your hormones are balanced. So एक तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट इस चीज़ में ये है कि आपने जो भी एक तो डॉक्टर्स की एडवाइस ही सीख करनी है और उसके साथ साथ सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि आपने जो डॉक्टर चूज़ करने हैं वो यही हैं जिनका पर्सपेक्टिव इस चीज़ पे बिल्ड है कि you need to fix your hormones first. और फिर you can get any treatment done or you can get your other if there are micro needling or other any procedures that are in the market and very trending. So वो तभी ही सब कुछ possible है until unless you have your hormones in check. And also I can add a few things in this question. And for that what is important is कि अगर आप खुद भी कोई product try कर रहे हैं तो what important is that you do research on that. And you always go for some responsible platforms and not platforms जो कि there are few, we all know that we are girls, we always like to shop skincare and this and this. So we always know that there are certain brands or certain social media pages as well जिनको देख के पता चल जाता है that it shouldn't be tried. Even if they are like very easy to buy and they are very
Cheaper.
cheap, but still at the end of the day they're going to have a very bad impact on your health until and unless you have a research if you need it or not. So as you guys have this feature as well with that scans your
Acne
face,
scan.
yes, and then tells you. So this is something this is how responsible cosmetics work, and this is something one should go for.
You should be
Always.
researching everything.
Exactly.
So you also talked about some protocols which you guys have established for PCOS health, right? So do let us know about.
We have recently launched a policy brief stating PCOS as a human rights issue. So the conversation for that surrounds around the topic, exactly as stated already, that PCOS is not just a medical condition. It impacts your mental health, it impacts your psychological health. It is a social and economic issue as well. So PCOS, the policy brief that we launched this year covers PCOS in this area, जिसमें we have a few recommendations, जिनमें से एक तो ये है कि इसको सेहत कार्ड के अंदर कवर किया जाए, बेनज़ीर इनकम सपोर्ट प्रोग्राम के थ्रू इसको कवर किया जाए. उसके अलावा something which is very very close to me is that the infertility related domestic violence should be catered separately as well, because even if we look in our families, all of us have heard of some abuse related to infertility. We all have, and we cannot deny it. So in this level, अगर हमें पता है तो I think we should fight for that, because infertility is not something जिसमें उस लड़की की गलती है या उसको she should be punished through domestic violence, because your health should be prioritized and not stigmatized in this way. So this is something that our policy brief states. Also, it states of forming research committees for PCOS, so we can actually find the exact reasons for that, and then we can track it, and then we need to have PCOS clinics properly regulatedly established in provinces as well, because we all know that how badly the women's health is being regulated in medical aspect in Pakistan.
There's not enough talk on women's health.
Exactly, there is no talk. In fact,
even in the whole subcontinent area, there is not enough talk.
Now, Global South is, reluctant to talk about women's health, and especially हमारे यहाँ तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा common है. In fact, even if we have the talks, we all know कि वो talks सिर्फ टोटकास्ट तक महदूद हैं.
Exactly.
That is the only talk we have, because everyone knows that it's very prevalent and everyone is trying to sell their product in that.
Exactly.
And
because वो एक ऐसा पॉइंट है जो आपका एक टारगेट पॉइंट है, वो आपको हिट भी करता है, बट वी डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट लॉट. तो लोग उस पे परचेजिंग कर लेते हैं, बट दे डोंट नो,
because obviously everyone needs a solution to that na. So you create whatever XYZ solution you have, and then you write a word PCOS, and everyone is going to buy it.
Exactly.
And no matter what uska kya consequences hai, if you have some a scientific backing to it or not, but you are just trying to sell your product. In fact, there is one thing that I would like to state here, is that PCOS एक ऐसी condition है जिसका कोई मुकम्मल इलाज नहीं है.
Exactly.
आप अपने symptoms को क्योर कर सकते हो, आप अपने symptoms को manage कर सकते हो. There is no treat. Exactly. So that is something we see हमारी सबकी, because I work in this area, तो मेरी feed पे सारा time कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा मंजन आ रहा है, which is
Exactly.
trying to
Even in
cure.
skincare, you have such big names with trash products.
Exactly.
Formulas.
Exactly.
Steroids.
Exactly. Steroids. And this is something कि उस पे conversation क्योंकि हो नहीं रही है, people do not know about it.
Exactly.
But generally भी आप उस products को देखो तो you can say it.
Exactly.
It's very prevalent.
Formula, science factors.
Exactly. Or we all have phones. Take your phones out, research about it, study a bit. But with the tech being so advanced that we have ChatGPT and Gemini working, आप लोग उसको easily track कर सकते हो. आपको English में भी उसको पढ़ने की अब ज़रूरत ख़त्म हो गई है. उसकी अंग्रेजी की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप उसको उर्दू में बोलो, हाँ वो उर्दू में जवाब दे देगा. So I think बड़ा important है अगर हम इस तरीके से चीज़ें खरीदना शुरू करें. Misinformation को cater तो इसी तरीके से कर सकते हैं ना. We cannot just sit and wait for anyone to come and tell us कि नहीं ये product नहीं खरीदना. But there's so many products in the market.
Exactly.
और उसके अलावा what I generally think about is that whenever you had this question about acne as well, this is so crucial, and वो acne एक दफ़ा ख़राब होती है, it just takes years to fix.
Okay.
And उसके लिए I always say that you need to have such products. If you are not consulting anyone, you need to have such products जहाँ पे आपको पता है कि यार they're not trying to sell me something irresponsibly.
Doesn't work.
हाँ, exactly. मतलब again, not because of this is AccuFix, but अगर आपके पास एक ऐसा brand है who is willing to have a conversation on that,
Exactly.
this is your solution.
We do give free consultation.
Exactly. That's something I always talk about.
Thank you so much, Ikra, for being us today.
Thank you
That
so
was
much for
great.
having me.
Thank you so much, everyone, for staying today with us. We'll come back with another episode. Till then, stay tuned.